Hi all. Today we'll see how to install Orange data mining tool. Actually, it's free one. I can say like it's open source. So most of the people will use for data analysis and machine learning and data visualization part. It's especially focused on like popular they're using in education, research and rapid prototyping technologies. So we'll see how to install and how to like use that tool, Orange data mining. So open any one of your favorite browser, just type here Orange data mining. So official website it will open here. Just click on this link here. Okay, then this is the latest version. Download Orange 3.4.0. Just click on this link and it will show you here packages. So I'm going to install on Windows, so then I'll select the standalone installer. So if you want to try on Mac, then select this one, and other platforms also here it's available, so you can use for your based on requirements. So if you are using the Python, like this is the install we can use here. Okay, so then let me select here, it's almost 340 MB. Okay, let me select this one. I have already downloaded this one, which this is the tool here. So I'm not going to waste your time, just I'm going to stop this one. Then let me open here, go to downloads. Just click on yes here. It will extracting the data. Yeah, just click on next here. Just these are terms and conditions, just click on I agree. So here it will ask for the permissions. Just I'm going with install for anyone using this computer. Just click on next, and I'm going with the default options, and I'm selecting the different version of the like directory, because I'm not going to install the C. Okay, let me extract and D and tools. Okay, just click on next. This and not is empty, choose another dish. Okay, let me select why it's showing like that. Tools. Okay, let me create a new folder here. Orange. Yeah, just click on next. It won't take much time. Yeah, and that's all guys. So just click on next here. So it will click on finish. So here the orange tool it will open here to navigate or integrate to Python, like for the different tools. Thanks for watching.